Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Bitget trading interface using USDT pairs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Bitget website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign up process. Once logged in, navigate to the trading interface from the main dashboard. Look for the option to select trading pairs. Search for USDT in the trading pair selection. Select a trading pair that interests you, such as BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT. Once the pair is selected, you will see the corresponding trading chart. Familiarize yourself with the chart features and tools available. Adjust the time frame of the chart as needed for better analysis. Next, locate the order entry section on the trading interface. You can choose between market, limit, or stop orders based on your trading strategy. For a market order, enter the amount of USDT you wish to trade. For a limit order, specify the desired price along with the amount. Review the details of your order before confirming. Once satisfied, click the buy or sell button to execute your trade. Your order will now be placed in the market. You can track the status of your orders in the Open Orders section. To monitor your trades, switch to the Assets tab to see your current holdings. Adjust your trading settings and preferences as needed in your account settings. Explore additional features like leverage options and stop-loss settings. Keep an eye on market trends to inform your trading decisions. Consider practicing in a demo environment if available to build confidence. This completes your setup of the Bitget trading interface using USDT pairs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.